Installation for the HPL-PRO Next Gen Ranger Tub Divider for the spray-in tub. First step is to install the sides. So there is a left and a right side with this kit. The recess is always facing outwards into the tub, so the bigger hole faces into the tub for each corresponding side. With the 4 hand bolts provided, you want to screw into the threads near the tailgate. It is sometimes a little bit difficult to get it started, so you may need to push reasonably hard just to get that thread started, but once it's started you'll feel it straight away and it's simple to tighten up from there. You don't want to tighten these all the way, you want to leave them a little bit loose for when we put the barrier in. Again, with the other side, we want to line up our recesses and holes with the threads in the tailgate. Again, to start is a little bit hard. Once you get going, it's easy. And again, you don't want to tighten these all the way up to begin with. The tighter you go, the tighter the barrier will be to put in. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to grab your barrier. Similarly to the plastic tub, you just want to have your barrier going across both sides and then line up, tilt and roll into the slot that you want. It should just drop down easily. And to adjust, you just lift straight up and repeat the same process. Tilt, line up with your desired slots, roll into the slots and drop down. To install the half barrier, you want to sort of angle it in just to get it into the tub, and then from there the process is exactly the same. You want to tilt, line it up with your desired slots and then let it roll in. And then once you've completed your setup, you want to tighten those side pieces, and that basically bows the side piece slightly in order to get the tightness in the slot, but obviously at a micro level. So if you want to adjust, you want to loosen them up. And then from there it should just lift straight up when you want to take out that half piece. And similarly, to install a second full barrier, you want to angle it in to get it into the tub, and then from there, exact same process. Tilt, line up the edges with your desired slot, and then roll the barrier into the slot so it's even all the way down. And again, once you've done that, you want to tighten them up. That really tightens up the slots just with that slight bowing effect. And that's pretty much it.